Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendy Laura. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make camphor oil. Camphor oil is a very great oil. You can use it for your skin, your hair. It helps in removing dandruff from your hair, and then for your skin, it lightens the skin. It helps in with pimples and acne. You guys know I'm someone that always talk about my struggle with pimples and all. So I put camphor in everything, like my face cream and my body cream. I put camphor oil in it. So it's a very simple video. Basically, what we're going to need is coconut oil, homemade coconut oil, and camphor. So what you do, you get your camphor. If you have the small one, you can use like 3, and then just smash it up, and you use the homemade coconut oil. You heat it on a very low heat, Trust me, this camphor oil is very good for skin rashes, eczema. It helps in removing rashes, eczema, pimples. And so what you do, you put your pot on fire on a very low heat, and you add your coconut oil. So your coconut oil, you very low heat, oh guys, please, and then add your camphor. It's going to dissolve really quickly. So you just keep on stirring, and then once you've dissolved it, you can remove it. Just keep on stirring, and then leave for it to cool. When it's cooled down, you can now transfer into your bottle. And what I do is I add a little bit of camphor oil to my cream, my face cream and my body cream, to help me with the pimples I've been battling with, and it's been working. Anyway guys, you can also add lemon oil. For those that want to lighten up, add lemon oil and then shake and use. So guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you and happy new year in advance. Bye guys.